happy birthday, manager. Thank you for being kindful and thank you for being supportive, Team Apoy, and thank you for loving me and Ate Nicole and Mama G and Team Apoy. And thank you for sending a gift with Mama G is TikTok Universe and Lion. Happy birthday. Happy birthday again, manager. And don't forget to pray of your birthday because God is love you. God say happy birthday to you. And pray 11:11. Please. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, manager. Happy birthday, manager. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hello po, manager Solveig. Happy birthday po and wish you more birthday to come and good health and take care of yourself always. Happy birthday. Love you po.
Hi manager, happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat ng effort mo kay Ate Girlie and lalong-lalo na sa aming Team Apoy. Sobrang na-appreciate ka namin and sobrang love na love ka namin. Sana hindi ka magbago. See you soon manager. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear manager. Happy birthday to you. So your manager, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. Thank you sa palagi pagpapasaya sa amin nila Ate G. Ayun. So, I hope you will enjoy your day. Happy birthday and God bless.
Happy Manager Saldev Day! Happy birthday po, Manager Saldev. Thank you po pala sa pag-support niyo po sa ating Team Apoy and thank you rin po sa pag-share niyo po sa inyong blessings sa amin. More birthday to come po and more blessings to come. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi dyan. Yes. Love ya.
Yun, happy birthday manager. More birthdays to come. Salamat sa pag-inis mo kada buwan. Pagpalain ka pa po. Ang bait ko. Delo ka lang. Thank you. God bless. And sana sa pagdaan mo sa live ng Michin may pangsanggit mo. Thank you. Sa birthday ulit.
Happy birthday po, Manager Soldev. Sana ay bigyan ka ni Papagat ng magandang buhay. Sa na lang ang TV ug ang atong mga gift dira, di ba? Sa na lang ang gikumot sa dakong lubot, sa na lang mga request nimo, sana ay dagdagan mo pa ng 500 or 600 or TikTok Universe. By the way, thank you so much sa pag-welcome niyo sa akin, sa Team Apoy. Miss G, thank you so much po. Manager Soldev, thank you so much. At ingat po kayo lagi. Ay sana ay yun lang po. Dagdagan nyo po yung mga gift nyo, pampaksak nyo po sa akin. Thank you so much po and
hello, happy birthday Manager Zoldev. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday po. God bless.
Hi manager, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Hey.
Happy birthday manager. Wish you all the best and wish you a good health and more blessing to come. This song is for you pero hindi ako kakanta, narinig ko lang.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati, Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang bati sa'yo.
Hello, manager. Happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best and good health, long life, and more blessings to come. God will always protect you and guide you all the time. Once again, happy birthday sa aming manager. God bless you.
Hi, Bayet. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life. I know you deserve happiness. You deserve a lot of blessings. Kay pretty ka kabuutan. Dili lang sa amo labi na sa tanan. Mintabang ka sa mga tao na nakinahanglan. Og unta, padayon ra gihapon ka, Bayet. Og ang akong wish nimo unta makauyab na ka. If wala pa, panguyab na. If na, congratulations. Salamat kayo, Bayet, sa imuhang mga pagpalipay sa Team Apoy, including Miss Girly. And also, once again, happy birthday.
Hi, manager. Happy birthday. Wish ko lahat ng best sa life mo, especially ngayon na birthday mo. Maraming salamat kasi mahaba ng pasensya mo sa amin. Kung mahaba mo yung pasensya mo, habaan mo pa. Lalo na kay Girly pag sobrang naging makulit sa live. Or kami, pag nagkakasabay kami nagiging makulit sa live. Sobrang haba ng pasensya mo. Looking forward na ma-meet ka namin, magkamit lahat ng Team Apoy. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng support mo sa pagbibigay ng gifts, lalo na sa treasure box. Maraming salamat. Pag-amping pirme and unta kaloy na makita-kita tantanan. Thank you, manager. God bless you.
Happy birthday, manager. More blessings to come. And mag-iingat po palagi.
Para sa nagdiriwang ng kanilang kaarawan, happy birthday ang bati ko, ang bati namin sa iyo. Nawa ay